dive.
Okay.
So you haven't been around the track before?
Nope.
I mean,
Golf cart on the outside.
video games, yeah.
Video games?
Yeah.
Okay.
Him with
This
his
is a bit
Xbox
different.
360.
I take part on an online racing league, so.
Okay, very cool. With R Factor?
Yeah, R Factor and Speed Factor.
Right. Very cool.
Have you tried that?
Yes, many times. So, is this your first IndyCar race?
Yes.
My second, I was at Indy 500.
Okay, cool. Well, this is a whole different kettle of fish. So, welcome to Watkins Glen, gentlemen. My name is James. I'll be your pilot. Thank you for flying Air Honda.
Well, hopefully not.
Flying fast, not flying high.
Mm-hmm.
One of the more scenic road courses that we go to.
I have to say, it is a beautiful track.
It's beautiful. Elevation changes are amazing. Nice quick corners like this one.
I didn't lock my door.
That's what you got the oh Lord handle for. This is what we call in the business a neck stretcher.
Mm-hmm.
Is it an Indy car or an Indy Lights car? About 3.5 Gs. The neck takes a beating through that corner, let me tell you. This one as well. Feel the grip. Back on the power. Every inch of road.
I knew I should have signed up for NASA.
Hope nobody had a big breakfast.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I can't tell you where the camera's been pointing. I've been trying the front window, but don't hold your breath.
That's the idiot.
Not bad, huh?
No?
Thank you, Firestone and Honda, for making this possible. Just a leisurely Sunday morning drive
That's true.
around upstate New York.
And I assume this has custom brakes on it.
Yes. Brakes and tires. A little
Yep.
bit of suspension work as well.
I figured.
That was amazing.
That was good.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome. I hope it was worth the early wake-up call.
Oh, yeah.
Very cool. Here you are, gentlemen.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your race this afternoon.
How do I turn this thing off now? Push it again?
Oh, don't need to.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Thanks.
Here.
Thank you
You're
so
welcome,
much,
guys.
man.
Take care. Hope
Hi.
you enjoyed it.
Yeah. See you
Listen,
online.
thank you very much.
You're
Great.
very welcome. Take care.
How was it?
Wonderful.
Does it automatically turn itself off or what?
Yeah.
I think it's still running. Yep, thanks.
Thank you, Ted.
You're welcome. Like I said, I can't guarantee it was pointing out the window all the time. It may have some ceiling sight in there.